This is Racer J, and I am yeah, face cam. So in the cab at work, parked on a bay, and I am just showing you a quick preview of what I am going to be uploading. So when I do my POV driving videos, I will see if I can include a small box in the corner showing you this view of my face while I'm driving. Steering wheel will be here, and that's how it's going to be. I hope it comes out okay, yeah, look forward to it. I look forward to it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching.